If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Start with settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and resolution, and gradually increase them to find a balance between performance and quality. Step 4. Disable overlays. Turn off any overlays from applications such as Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam. These overlays can sometimes interfere with game performance and stability. Step 5. Check for background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games, which can lead to crashes if your system is overloaded. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, consider seeking further support from the game's community or official forums.